Want to use your GoDaddy domain with Zoho Mail email addresses? Here's how to connect them. Sign into your Zoho Mail admin console and go to Domains, then Add Domain. Enter your GoDaddy domain name and choose GoDaddy as the DNS provider. Zoho will generate a TXT verification record. Log into your GoDaddy account. Open DNS management for your domain and add the TXT record exactly as provided by Zoho. Return to Zoho Mail and click Verify to confirm domain ownership. After verification, Zoho will provide MX records for email routing. Go back to GoDaddy DNS and replace existing MX records with Zoho's MX values. Save changes and wait for DNS propagation. Finally, create your email users in Zoho Mail, and your domain email addresses will now send and receive mail through Zoho. That's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to Zoho Mail. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.